Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmate. Today I'm going to talk about the assessment task. The next, please. Let me introduce you assessment task. Uh, Assessment and task are very important because using task and assessment in English classroom allows to the teacher to assess some and various skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The next slide, please. The first topic is assessing grammar. The teaching and evaluate of grammar on evaluation grammar is fundamental because it is the center of use of language. Brown and Abeguirama 2019 highlight that to evaluate grammar is necessary to have a select response, limited production, and extend production tasks. Next, please. I establish an example of assessing grammar. I choose for this example evaluation of article. The objective of this evaluation is the student can develop micro and macro skills. Remember the correct use of articles so as not the alert alter the meaning and context of these sentences or speech. Choose the correct article. The teacher will evaluate the correct use of the articles a, and the. On the evaluation sheet, there will be 10 sentences that the students must complete with the correct article. The next, please. In this slide, you can see the 6 sentences that the teacher established to the students. The student choose article A, article and article D, and then the student write and put the article in the sentences and remember the correct use of the article. Next, please. In this slide, the teacher show the rest of the sentences that the student must to do. Next, please. The second topic is example assessing vocabulary. Assessment vocabulary allows the student to increase their lexicon in reading and when they speak inside and outside in the class. In this picture, you can identify and see the example of assessing vocabulary. Next, please. I establish an example that the pairing or match. A student must match the column A with the column B, which develops recitative vocabulary. In this example, the student finds the column A and the column B. The column A there are the words that the student must to match with the column B. In the column B, there are the meanings of all of the words in the column A. Next, please. That is the continuing of that example. Environment, link, potential, interaction, and the column B are the meanings. Next, please. Next. The application of assessment allows to the teacher evaluate and know the knowledge capacity that the student have. If the teacher apply different task or assessment in the classroom, allow to the teacher identify and establish the strategies, methodology, and methods of teaching English that to improve different capacity, different skills like listening, reading, writing, speaking. All of these skills approach to the knowledge of the students. The student can approach different strategies. Thank you very much.